one of the very first things we're going to do is we get back down here to the muffler, and this is not the MPE muffler. So one of the very first things we're going to do is I want to show you this connection. So this would be the passenger side. So you've got this large welded connection right here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to mark 1.5 inches in on both sides. And this is something you want to be exceedingly careful. So measure 3 or 4 or 5 times. Make sure it's absolutely right. We're going to measure 1.5 inches in and we're going to mark. We're also going to use a hose clamp. We're going to put a hose clamp around the pipe to make sure that we got a nice straight line all the way around. So I'm going to set up, I'm going to measure and mark, and I'll show you that. And then I'll put the hose clamp on, and then we're going to mark all the way around. Then we're going to use our Sawzall to cut both sides. So this is one of the very first things we're going to do is cut both of these pipes. So let me get set up and get my hose clamps and get marked, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, so I've got the pipes marked. So we have the passenger side pipe, you can see marked. I put on my hose clamp and I put it into place and I marked all the way around. I've measured 1.5 inches from the weld, so make sure that you measure really, really closely. Now on the other side, I've left the hose clamp in place so you can see it. Now when I make the cut, I'll take it off. But I measured 1.5 inches, got a good mark in place, and then I put my hose clamp on and tightened it down so it's nice and even all the way, and then used my marker and marked all the way around the pipe. So I'll get a nice, clean, straight cut all the way through. Really important, you have to have an even cut when you go through here so it mates up perfectly with the mid pipe. And you're gonna have that big clamp that's gonna go over the top of this, but whatever you do, you don't wanna have, an uneven cut or ragged edges.